we have multiplication of two binomials. Why? Because in the first parenthesis we have two terms, and in the second we have two terms. How we do multiplication of binomials? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So this is equal, we have to multiply x by x plus z, so we can rewrite that this is x times x plus z, and next we have plus y, and y we have to multiply by every term in the second parenthesis, so we have plus y and times x plus z. Now we have to multiply every term in parentheses by x. So we have x times x, x times z, and we have positive x and positive z, so we have plus x times z. Now we have positive y times x plus z. So again we have to multiply every term in parentheses by y. So it will be y times x, and we have y z because we have positive and positive variables, so it will be plus y z. So this is equal, we have x times x is x squared. We have the same base, so we copy the base and we add exponents. When we don't have power, it's always invisible 1, so we have 1 and 1. So we copy the base x, because we have multiplication here, and we just add these two exponents. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next we have xz. We have y x, so we change to alphabetic order, so it will be xy, and we have plus y z. Every term is different, so we can not do here anything. This is my solution.